Hello, welcome to Wise Guys. This session is about concentration of a solution expressed as part per million, which we call ppm. Let's look at the definition. Using parts per million, ppm, for calculating very small concentration of a solution. So ppm means this P, the first P means parts. The second P is per, the M is million. So the definition is concentration of ppm solution equals amount of solute over amount of solution times 10 to the 6 exponent per million. Because this one actually 10 to the 6 is million over million. This is a 1, right? But when we got this number, which is a fraction, then times 10 to the 6, which you got the per million. So ppm of solute, which is mass of solution over mass of solute plus mass of solvent, and multiply 10 to the 6 per million. So when we given the solute and the solvent both in mass, we use any unit as long as the mass of solute has same unit with mass of solvent. And same unit for both solute and the solvent. And also solvent is the substance doing the dissolving, and in any mixture is the larger portion. Let's look at the question. Question 1. A 7.5 grams sample of groundwater was found to contain 18.2 micrograms of zinc ions, 2 plus zinc ions. What is the concentration of zinc ions in parts per million? So parts per million expressed as the unit for very small concentration of solution, contain very small. So because in this question we say we're looking for the concentration of zinc ions, so the ppm, the zinc 2 plus in ppm can be expressed equal the mass of solute, which is to contain 18.2 micrograms of zinc ions. So this is the mass of solute. It's 18.2 micrograms. And the burden is mass of solution, which is the groundwater. And the 7.5 grams, this is grams, but this is micrograms. So that's why we need to change 7.5 grams to micrograms. Also, you can convert micrograms to grams. But for convenience, I feel like to convert grams to micrograms is much easier, because 1 grams equals 1,000 milligrams, and 1 milligrams equals 1,000 micrograms. So that's why 7.5 grams, we can multiply 10 to the 3 exponent to convert to milligrams, and times another 10 to the 3 exponent to convert to micrograms. So then multiply 10 to the 6 exponent and per million. Then we can see 10 to the 6 exponent, and this is 10, 3 is 10 to the 6 exponent. These two can be cancelled out, so leave as 18.2 micrograms divided 7.2 micrograms. So we got the 18.2 micrograms divided 7.5 micrograms. We got 2.43. We got the 2.43 because we only have this is 3 sigma figure, 2 sigma figures. That's why we only choose 2 sigma figure. 2.4. This is per million, right? Parts per million. This is because this is cancel out. You got the no unit. This is per million. So this is per million, which is ppm. So 2.4 ppm. This is the concentration of zinc ions. Okay, the second question I'd like to show you is calculate the mass of a drug in milligrams for a 5.0 ppm solution if the mass of the solution is 10 grams. This question, you given information is the ppm concentration, which is 5.0 ppm. And the mass of solution is 10 grams. We're looking for the mass of solute. So we can write, follow the formula, we can write, start from 5.0 ppm, 5.0 ppm, which is the concentration of this solution, equals to the top is mass of solute, which we're looking for. We put X, right? The bottom, the mass of solution is 10 grams. Even we're looking for the milligrams, but now the 10 grams is solution. If we still first keep this one at the same unit, right? So then multiply 10 to the 6 per million. This is exactly follow the formula. You just plug number in, leave the X. But when you calculate the X grams, so this part, we can say this is 1. This part equals 1, right? 10 to the 6 over million, which is equal 1. So we just got the X in grams equals what? Equals 5 ppm multiplied 10 grams, which is 5.0 ppm times 10 grams. How to do this kind of question? So let me show you this one. So this one equals, because 5.0 parts per million. So if this is grams, we choose 5 grams, 5 parts in million. Million is 10 to the 6, right? Then times 10 grams. In this situation, we got 5.0 times 10 to the, because this is grams, the answer is grams, and this is a cancel 1 0 with 1 0, we got the negative 5 exponent grams. But we're looking for milligrams. That's why we need to convert 5.0 times 10 to the negative 5, and 1 grams equal 1000 milligram times 10 to the 3 exponent and milligrams. So we got 5 times 10 to the negative 2 milligrams. So also we can write 0.05 milligrams. So in 10 grams of this solution, and the mass of drug is 0.05 milligrams. This is presented by Wise Guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.